Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned on my last haul video, I was really curious to know if these are the same kits. This kit is branded as a tester's kit. This kit is branded as a US Airfix kit. This is from 1980. This is from 1985. And I want to take... Uh-oh, I see a difference real fast. I see a difference already. I won't go there yet. But I do see a slight difference already. It just caught my eye. So I want to open these up and just compare them. I don't know if they're the same kit. I'm starting to doubt it now that they are, because I'm seeing a difference. And I guess I'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Do you notice around the fender flares there appears to be like bolt holes, or you see the bolts? I just noticed that on this blue one here. It's just smooth. Oh, you know what? The fender flares aren't as big. I don't think it's the same kit. I might have two different kits, and that's just fine. I don't mind at all having two different kits. Okay, so let's get these open. So I'm going to do something I don't like to do. This is 1980, sealed completely. I'm fixing to open it. I hope all you guys are watching. Betting to open it up. It was only worth $5.50. That is not what I paid for it. I can promise you that. I hope I don't have to tear the box to get in. No, okay. It opens at the bottom. All right, here we go. Dang, I hate that. Ugh, cringe. Alright, these kits are not cheap. This one right here, this US Airfix, go look on eBay. US Airfix D Tommaso Pantera, you'll see what I'm talking about. I got this one quite a bit cheaper than the going price, but still wasn't cheap. It's kind of hate to open it, but darn it. Alright, let's look inside this one. Let me turn this camera down. See what's in here. Oh, it flips up. Wow, how simple. Do you love it when they just put the glass in there and for like 30 years it's just been bouncing around? Man, this one would be a quick build. It's got like 5 parts total. Okay, so let me get this off to the side and I'm gonna open the this is already opened. And let's compare these bodies. Yes, they are different. I can already see that. Well, that's cool though. It's cool to some of the videos that I've done, it's like all right off the bat you're like, yep, that's the same kit, put it back in the box. This is not. Okay, bodies, let's look at them. So right off the bat, the wheel flares. Let me zoom it just a hair. Right off the bat, the wheel the flares are different, totally different. I see something else that's different too. I don't know what year, if these are a different year or if they're the same year, because I don't have a year on this. However, the instructions not. Yeah, I had a 351, but it doesn't say which 351. I'm trying to find a year. It doesn't say what year it was. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments what year was the Pantera produced. This one doesn't have it either. Okay. Anyway, let's look at this. So what differences I'm seeing already are, there's one, the emblem here. It says the Dale whatever Pantera. right there. The one on the black one is just a little teeny bitty little box that it looks like it's supposed to say something, but I don't think it does. Another thing that I'm noticing that's different is the shape of those vents behind the quarter windows. This one is sort of round right here, and this one is sort of pointy. Same style door handles, although the one on the tester's kit is the handles are much smaller. I'll be honest with you, the body on the Airfix kit looks better. Like the lines, it looks like a better. So it's a more, the plastic on, well, it could be because all these angles, but I was about to say it's a harder plastic, but you have the vents around the windshield wipers are definitely different on these two. They do have the 6 vents, but these are sort of counter, they're recessed, and then it has some sort of safety hinges on the hood, and this one doesn't. The headlight, flip-up headlights are totally different sizes, although these are both 124 scale. Let's see the actual, see if the length of the, oh wow, well, no, that's nose to nose. So we've got a different length. I'm trying to pick them up even. Let's do tail to tail like that. See what the wheelbase looks like when we pick it up. So yeah, see, our shapes are a different shape. The wheelbase is obviously, I wouldn't say longer, but it's the wheels are, the body's longer on the black one. You have a much more aggressive valence or whatever that is, and on the Airfix it's much less aggressive. So obviously, and then you have all these flares, and what I was talking about earlier was these little, looks like bolts that are holding those flares on, and that one didn't have it. It's just smooth. So it's obvious that these are different kits, and it has the ground effects there. Okay, so the bodies are totally different. They're both curbsides, so you don't get the engine. I want to check out the wheels and tires. Back to camera. Zoomer back out. This is completely factory sealed. It still has the staples holding it together. So the reason I couldn't see the tires is because they're all the same color. There's the dang glass flopping around getting scratched up. Dang it. I don't know why they do that. Alright, let's find some wheels and tires. Wheels and tires look awesome on this tester's kit. At least in the picture. Oh my goodness, it has a gear. What the heck? Was it going to be a... Well, this was... I don't know who made the tester's kit, but apparently it was supposed to be it was motorized at one time, because look at this. There's a gear and an axle. The axle and gear. That's something. What the heck? Alright, so let's get these tires out. Uh-oh. Got some little front wheel pins that holds the tires on. Alright, so the tires on the tester's kit are just a slick rubber race tire that don't say Goodyear, but I think no. If you'll notice on the kit box, at least, they say Goodyear, which is very cool looking. But I don't think these say anything. No, they don't. They're slick on both sides. Got some like flash, but they're real rubber. They're not like falling apart or anything like that. And then the wheels are great looking. Man, I'm gonna have to try and cast those. Those don't go all the way through. So I might could actually cast these. Be cool. It's a good looking wheel. I know it has to be painted, but so does a resin wheels and tires. Alright, so let's check out the wheels and tires on the Airfix. Okay, so they're different. Not nearly as good looking as the testers, in my opinion. Got the two different styles there. And the Testers has a much larger wheel, which I think makes that mean look. Okay, dashboards. US Airfix, my right hand here. There's your dashboard for it. Got the two gauges, and that looks like some air vents. And on the Testers, you've got a different style. Still got two air vents. It's got two switches like the other one, two gauges. It's just a different style dashboard. Steering wheels, practically the same style, but not exactly. Still has a better looking steering wheel on the Testers. Okay, there's the chassis for the oh yeah, look, this was also a powered car. Would have been a powered car with a battery. Do you see the where the batteries would have went right there? And here's the battery cover right there in the seats. So this would have been a powered car as well. Let's look at the tires. Tires are smaller. They're also slick and rubber. They're just, now these do say Goodyear. So I get it to zoom in or focus. Yeah, so those do say Goodyear. On one side, Goodyear Racing, but they are definitely a smaller tire. Look at the difference in the tires. That's a lot smaller tire than the Testers. Here's the decals for the Testers. Hopefully they will still be okay. So Nismo Bridgestone, got some cool stickers. Really cool stickers. And I don't see any Goodyear stickers. That's the whole thing, is like the tires. There's two decal sheets though. Here's one for the body. Oh man, that would look so cool with those on there. I don't know if they're any good. They're from 1985. They look perfect. I don't see one thing wrong with them. And that would look killer on there. The chassis, yeah, this is bizarre, but here's the chassis for the Testers kit, and there's your battery spot. So they're not the same kit, but they both have that toy effect. There's the console, another dash panel. I mean, another gauge panel of some sort right there. I don't know. It's a mystery, but they're definitely not the same kit. Here is the decal sheet for, well, these are not decals. Okay, so these are like rub-on stickers or something, I believe. I don't think that's a decal. I don't know. I'd have to look at the instructions to see if the thorough instructions. It doesn't say. It does show you where they go, but no. Here it is. How to apply decals. Remove the white backing paper. That's already gone. Place the decal position. Rub with soft pencil, ballpoint pen. Peel away the plastic film. Smooth down. So the paper is already off of them. I don't know if it's ruined or not, but anyway, there's your rub-on decals. And the spoiler, rear spoiler, I wasn't even paying attention earlier at the spoiler on the where the heck is the spoiler? The Testers, there it is. Oh, it's different. Oh, it's got sides. Okay, so the spoiler for the Testers, which has more detail like rivets and things. Come on. It's got rivets. And I'm pretty sure these... No. These are the brackets, the mounts for it. And then it's going to have... Oh, here it is. Here are your sides for it. Oh, look cool. Be cool. Still would be a great build-up. If it looks like that, I would just love to have some. Yeah, and you can order Goodyear decals for tires. I just don't know if they'd be the right size, because you've got two different radius tires. You got one, you know, for the front and the back. I don't know how that would work, but anyway. All right, guys. Mystery solved. They're not the same. I was convinced that they were the same kit, but they are not, and that's okay. But if you're interested, hey, both of them are expensive. Neither one of them are cheap. They're both way overpriced in my opinion. I got them both reasonably affordable, sort of. Not really, but anyway. Let me know if anybody's built these. I see some dips in the plastic that would have to be fixed. But let me know if any of you guys have built a Pantera testers or US Airfix. If you have, any good, any pointers, any tips, any cautionary words you'd like to give me, but that came out of it. Made in Japan. I don't know which one. I think it was out of the testers, which I already knew that. Alright guys, done with this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't already. Like the video if you hadn't liked the video. And if you did like the video, like it. If you didn't, I'd still appreciate if you'd like it. And if you don't like it, that's alright too. We all have our opinion. But yeah, so thanks for watching. And check out Hobby Nut Models. If one of these get built, either one of these, they'll get the Hobby Nut Model MCW treatment more than likely. So go check out the MCW paint line at Hobby Nut Models. Anything else you need for your kits, especially paints and sanding and hey, kits too. He's got all that, glue, everything you need, and airbrushes, air compressors. He's got the airbrush with the compressor and just the mini airbrush compressor. Go check those out. What else? Facebook group. Go join our Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Go check out I know this is a lot of stuff, sorry. My second channel is Life's the Adventure. It's not a model related channel, but it's a new channel that I've started. Go check it out as well. My mom's cooking channel is linked in the description below. If you guys don't know how to cook, or if your wives don't know how to cook and you want to teach them how to cook, go check out my mom's channel. She does a lot of cooking videos. Go check that out. Teespring store, go check it out. And you Patreon members, thank you so much for your support. Everything is linked in the description of this video. Just go down and look and it'll all be there. So you guys take care, and we will see you later. Mystery is solved. But which one do I build? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his. See you guys. Bye.